Guys, welcome back. I just want to show you here now a nice trick, a nice feature you can do it in your template every time you make a new one for your customers. Today we're gonna learn how to make this template a little bit more modular, giving the user the possibility, the client the possibility to leave it active or not a block on your homepage or on your template, the landing page. Right now, if you go to the site editor, we can add all the information. Let me just refresh here. And as you probably follow me in the last tutorial, here we have all our information inside of our content, and then we can, well, edit everything that is here. But as of now, the customer, our client, cannot modify the information here. If he doesn't want to see this block, for example, he would have to ask you, and then you would have to remove this from the code. Today I'm gonna teach you how to leave him choose if he wants to keep that active or not. For that, we're gonna use something that is called visibility layout. It's an app from VTEX. As you can see, the documentation, it's not so well informative, so that's why I'm here to teach you how we're gonna use that. And in order to do that, we need to go back to our code. And here we have inside of our template all the code we built in the last tutorial. So here I'm just gonna link my workspace. Well, let's check who am I first. Okay, I'm back in my tutorial, everything else. So now we can link that. Let's see. Okay. Everything looks good. Right, so the first thing we're gonna need to do, we're gonna add this app to our manifest file. And here we call vtex.visibility-layout. And here we're gonna give 0.x version. So I'm gonna save that. Everything's running. And the next thing I'm gonna do is use that. So what is actually this visibility layout? It's nothing more than a wrapper. So here I wanna call that, and to call that I will call experimental visibility. Then we have layout. And then we're gonna give this the name of first left, because we want to make a wrapper for our first session inside our template. Here I'm gonna give a title like first section. And then the only thing I need to do here, I need to give these children, and as children I will provide them my info card first left. So okay, now instead of calling the info card, I'm gonna call the experimental layout on top. And now let's see what happens. Apparently everything's fine on template, it should be. And here now what changes is in our site editor. If we go to content, let's refresh this page. Now, if we go to content, we see here our first session is a wrapper for this block. And if you see inside, it's information for the info card, as we used to be. However, the nice part is, if the customer doesn't want to have this block here on his template, he can make it invisible. So it's up to him to choose whatever he wants to show here. I strongly suggest you to put this wrapper in almost every block on your template, because then you give just more freedom to your customer to work on these templates. We normally make a huge list of apps, and then we use these first sections, well, this visibility layout, and then it's up to him to choose what he wants to show in the end, and we can focus on new things, on new features. So that's it. I hope you like it, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment below. Thank you.